Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Wallpaper Engine is active so you can disable it safely. Open the system tray or press Ctrl+Shift+S to check Task Manager. Locate Wallpaper Engine. EXE. Once done, save any wallpaper profiles you want to keep, because disabling will stop runtime changes. Make sure to close programs that might interact with the wallpaper, such as streaming or editing tools, to avoid file locks. Doing this prevents lost settings and ensures the app can be stopped cleanly without disrupting other software on your system. Now you disable automatic launching and stop the running process. First, open Wallpaper Engine settings and uncheck Start with Windows or Run on Startup so it won't relaunch after reboot. Next, right-click the tray icon and choose Exit. If no tray icon, go to Task Manager and End Task for Wallpaper Engine. EXE. If you run it through Steam, also stop it from Steam's tools or disable Workshop auto updates to prevent automatic reinstallation. These steps stop real-time rendering and prevent it from starting again. Finally, decide whether to uninstall or keep Wallpaper Engine disabled. If you want it removed, use Control Panel Programs and Features or Steam Library to uninstall. Otherwise, reboot and confirm no Wallpaper Engine. EXE appears in background processes, and that startup entries remain disabled. If Wallpaper Engine reactivates, troubleshoot by running SFC for system file issues, reviewing Task Scheduler for leftover tasks, and checking startup entries in Settings App Startup or msconfig. If those checks fail, reinstall then cleanly uninstall to remove stubborn components.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.